Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I'm going to review COSRX Propolis Synergy Toner 150 ml quantity, retails for price 1250 rupees. Available on Nykaa, Smitten and on Macaron Beauty as well as on the Korean websites. Non-sponsored, and the product is made in South Korea. Here are some ingredient list. 72.6% propolis extract used, which nourishes and brightens tired skin, leaving it healthy, plump. Another ingredient 10.7% honey extract moisturizes the skin. 0.2% panthenol soothes irritation and calming down the skin. Lightweight formula suitable for all skin types. Dermatologically tested, cruelty free. How to use? Apply it as a first step skincare routine after cleansing the face. Here is my review. I have oily, sensitive, acne prone skin. This suits me well, no irritation, but didn't achieve any glass skin. It is a toner, but quite heavy, like a essence. I don't use this in summers. Good for winters. Little bit sticky. I use very little amount as like a serum. Will I buy this again? I don't think so. Little bit costly if I consider the results. I didn't observe any special difference after including this in my skincare routine, so I may not buy this again. But good to try once. Many skincare influencers love this product. Popular brand, popular product. If you have also tried this product, then let me know your thoughts. You like this product or not, you can share in the comment section below. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.